So in order to follow SACI school classes online, you must have a Gmail account. So without this Gmail account, you won't be able to follow SACI's courses, because all the teachers will upload all the classes in Google Classroom. That is a Google platform. So in order to take advantage of this service, you need to have a Google account. So in order to create a Google account, if you've never done it, it's very easy. Go to any browser, type in account Google, all right, create your account, fill in all the necessary information that is requested, and click OK. Once you have created your Google account, you must let your teacher know immediately. Sending an email to your teacher requesting that you want to be part of the lesson of that class. The invitation must be addressed to that specific email account that you just create. So the teacher will send you an email with the invitation. So for example, I am ivanpoggi@gmail.com. I have received an invitation from Ellen. I see that she has invited me to this lesson in Google Classroom, named Women and the Arts of Italy, and we click on Join. I have to click again in Join, and from the moment that I click Join for the second time, I will enter directly to the lesson that the teacher just shared with me from Google Classroom. In here I will find everything, all the lessons. I will be able to see them going inside and opening each one of them. So even though we could find some problems, in the sense that the teacher has invited me, but for some reason I haven't received my invitation in the email. So if this happens, don't worry. Communicate this very fast to the professor. The professor will supply a code, because each course in Google Classroom has a code. You must tell to the professor, would you mind to send me the code of the class? He will copy the code. Copy. You will go to the screen of Google Classroom. Here in this window, you will go to the icon on the right top with the symbol plus. Click on Join Class and paste the code that the teacher sent you. This way you can immediately access to the lesson.